Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Lincoln MKX that does not start and it sounds like a bad fuel pump, guys, we will show you where to find the relay for the fuel pump. Now, you guys have a fuse, you have a relay as well, so always make sure you check the fuses. We have a video that explains how to check the fuses as well. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below guys, and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So we have a 2009 Lincoln MKX, and I'll show you guys how the car doesn't start. And I don't hear any noise from the fuel pump. Usually you will hear a noise from under the rear seat when you turn the ignition on like that. I don't hear any buzzing. You should hear a buzz for about a second. And I'll try to start. Nothing, guys. Just doesn't start at all. Let me explain now, okay, what is causing that now. We need to open the hood and locate the fuse box next. So, once you open, guys, the hood of your Lincoln MKX, next to the car battery, okay, you have a fuse box. This is the fuse box right here. You need to remove the cover by pushing that clip forward and pull it up. Now, you can, guys, remove that cover, okay, simply by just twisting it a little bit, okay, and remove it like that. Now, right here you have the fuse numbers. If you need them, guys, that's very handy, but it doesn't tell you what it's for, fuses, relays. So in today's video we'll share about the fuel pump relay and where it's located. If you need to buy a new relay, guys, we have it listed. You can find a link to the new relay in the description of the video below. Check it out. This is, guys, the relay right here. It's relay number 26, guys, 26. So you just grab it with your hands, pull it out. Okay, just wiggle it a little bit back and forth, it will come out. Do not twist left or right, just wiggle it a little bit. I'll grab a new one quick, guys, okay, and I will show you now, okay, how the new one will fix that problem. If you want to see how to test the relay, guys, we have it on the channel, so please check it out. Now I'm going to go ahead inside and attempt to start the car. Hopefully our battery is not too dead. We just put it on the charger because it got a little weak. If not, we'll jump start it and see if that definitely fixes our problem or not. So I'm inside now and let's start it. So it fired right up, guys, with no problems as you can see. So definitely, guys, it was a bad relay for the fuel pump. Sometimes they will get hot, they will burn. But when you turn the ignition on, you will be able to hear the buzzing sound under the rear seat. Hopefully, guys, you can hear that. If you hear the sound, your pump is working. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time.